Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous Sutra 1.35, we learned how focusing on a pure sensory experience can bring steadiness to the mind. Now, in Sutra 1.36, Maharishi Patanjali leads us even deeper towards the inner light of consciousness itself. The sutra is Vishoka va Jyotishmati. Let us understand word by word meaning of the sutra. Here, Vishoka means free from sorrow, untouched by suffering. Va means or another method. Jyotishmati is the radiant inner light. The entire meaning of the sutra is or the mind becomes steady by meditating on the inner sorrow-free light within. The sutra is Vishoka va Jyotishmati. Let us understand word by word meaning of the sutra. The first word is Vishoka, means free from sorrow or untouched by sufferings. The second word Va means or another method. Jyotishmati means the radiant inner light. The meaning of the sutra is or the mind becomes steady by meditating on the inner sorrow-free light within. This is one of the most elevating sutras in the entire Samadhi path. Here, Maharishi Patanjali points to an inner luminosity, a subtle experience of lightness, clarity, and brightness that arises from within. This inner light is beyond worry, beyond fear, beyond memories, untouched by sorrow, deeply peaceful and uplifting. Our tanmatras, subtle senses can perceive this inner radiance only when the mind becomes quiet. When sattva, purity, clarity increases, the mind becomes like a clean mirror, and this inner light of consciousness reflects naturally. Meditating on this inner radiance dissolves agitation and makes the mind steady and joyful. Yoga texts describe this light as the glow of clarity, the flame of awareness, the quiet luminosity of the heart center, or the shine of Sattva-guna, or the inner guidance that awakens during meditation. This is not imagination. It is a real experiential quality felt by yogis and meditators across traditions. This sutra bridges the outer and inner journey. At first, we steady the mind through breath or sensory anchors. As the mind becomes clear, it naturally begins to perceive an inner brightness, the radiance of consciousness itself. Focusing on this light is considered one of the most powerful means of entering dhyana, meditation, and ultimately samadhi. Wherever there is light, darkness disappears effortlessly. In the same way, when this inner light becomes the focus, sorrow and restlessness dissolve on their own. Let us do a practical reflection. Close your eyes for a moment and notice. Is there a subtle brightness behind the eyelids? Maybe a quiet glow in the heart area, or a sense of spacious clarity in the mind. Rest gently on this inner experience without forcing anything. Even a brief connection can uplift the whole mind. The essence of the sutra is meditate on the inner luminosity that is free from sorrow. When the mind touches this inner light, stability and peace arise naturally. This light is signature of sattva, the purity of consciousness. So, in Sutra 1.36, Maharishi Patanjali guides us to the inner light that is always present. When we rest in that radiance, the mind becomes deeply steady and joyful. So I will see you in the next episode with next sutra. Namaste.